Welcome. In front of me I have Sony Alpha 5000, and today I will show you how you can delete all face registration. So at the first you have to go for the menu, then tap on the custom settings. Right now we have to go on the right on the third position, and here we can find the face registration, right? So click here, and as you can see we got a couple of the options, but if you want to delete all of them you have to choose the option at the bottom, then click the middle button 2 times, confirm, and as you can see every registration face was removed. So it was very simple, and if you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.